Hey, Queens! Welcome back to another radiant episode of Queen's Health Tips and Tricks on the IWEHA YouTube channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of glowing, healthy skin. And no, I'm not talking about spending your entire paycheck on fancy lotions and potions. We're talking about how to get that lit from within glow using the power of food. Yes, Queen, it all starts in your kitchen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. First up, we've got the queen of creamy deliciousness, avocados. Avocados are like nature's little moisturizer, packed with vitamin E and those good-for-you fats that hydrate your skin from the inside out. Trust me, your skin will be thanking you for that extra dose of smoothness. Adding avocado to your salads, smoothies, or even just spreading it on toast can make a world of difference for your skin. Next up, we're hopping on over to the wonderful world of carrots. Carrots are packed with beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A. And vitamin A, that's our secret weapon against dry, flaky skin and those pesky breakouts. Carrots are super versatile. You can munch on them raw, roast them, blend them into smoothies, or even bake them into a healthy carrot cake. Okay, let's talk about nuts and seeds. We're talking almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, flax seeds, the whole gang. They're like tiny treasure chests full of zinc and selenium, two powerful nutrients that work their magic on inflammation and acne. Zinc is like your skin's personal bodyguard, fighting off those pesky zits and keeping your complexion clear and radiant. And selenium? Think of it as the ultimate skin soother, calming down redness and irritation. So sprinkle some chia seeds on your yogurt, snack on a handful of almonds, or add a tablespoon of flaxseed to your smoothie. Now let's talk about tomatoes. They're not just for salads and pasta sauces. Tomatoes are packed with lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that acts like a natural sunscreen from the inside out. Lycopene helps protect your skin from those harmful UV rays that can cause wrinkles, sunspots, and premature aging. So, load up on tomatoes, add them to your sandwiches, make a delicious gazpacho, or enjoy a big bowl of pasta with homemade tomato sauce. All right, Queens, let's get tropical. It's time to talk about mangoes, the juicy, sunshine-filled fruit that's just bursting with flavor and skin-loving goodness. Mangoes are packed with vitamin C, which is essential for collagen production. And collagen, my friends, is like the scaffolding that keeps our skin firm, plump, and oh so youthful. So indulge in a juicy mango. Add it to your smoothies, make a refreshing mango salsa, or just slice it up and enjoy it as a sweet treat. Last but definitely not least, we have the ultimate skin savior, the OG of hydration, the queen herself, water. Water flushes out toxins, keeps our skin cells plump and hydrated, and helps prevent dryness, dullness, and those dreaded wrinkles. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day, and more if you're working out, sweating it out in the sun, or just feel like your body needs a little extra hydration. Trust me, your skin will thank you for it. Queen, you don't need expensive serums or lotions to shine. You need nourishment, love, and information, and that's what IWEHA is here for. So eat your fruits and veggies, drink plenty of water, and don't forget to love the skin you're in. Because you, my queen, are radiant. If you loved today's episode, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with your sisters, daughters, and besties. Let's spread the glow, one bite at a time.